like a beat. Golden skies all around.
Kasamang ID. Okay na yung ID ko. Hindi na sa cellphone mo na lang picture mo. Meron sa iPhone. Hindi, picture mo na tayo yung isang... Para naman ako nakamag... Lumit sa mga. So here's the bathroom. May bathtub siya and may towels rin. So here's the bed. For two lang talaga siya. And meron siyang study table. Tapos may malaking mirror. And here's my mom. Say hi! So nasa station pa kami. Pero maghahanap kami ng kakainan sa station 2. Wala pa kaming itinerary. May mga dogs sila dito. Baka maya-maya maliligo rin kami. Hanap tayo dito ng charot. Anong reklamo mo? Ang init. Feeling insurance. So guys, yung nandun is bikinis na nagamit na. Ang hirap niya ano. Gamit na kasi. Para sa mukha ko talaga siya. Pero tinitipid ko na siya actually. Since ang last nabili ko pa. Ito lang na medyo pag natutulog ka na. Yan ang may problema. Oh, that. Eye drops. Kasi sobrang pagod sa mga ginawang activity today or nangyari na yung araw. Kailangan mo ng eye drops for your exhausted eyes. So, that's my skincare. So, see you tomorrow! Fit check!
Where am I?
same time, we have 4 destination. Okay, so our first stop this morning, that will be the third longest beach in the island, which is the Puka Beach. Okay, so at Puka Beach, we have the Sand Castle. So for those who want to take picture with that later, it will cost you donation or tips only later. Okay, so kung wala kayong small bill, they accept big bills later. Okay. Second destination, that will be our snorkeling or swimming. So for those who want to do the swimming and then the snorkeling, prepare your 100 each for the snorkeling fee. Okay, sa mga hindi bababa sa bangka mamaya, 200 yung charge. Okay? Sige. Yes. Dapat mag 1 million views yan. 1 million views. Delete mo yan. Okay, third destination, that will be our lunch buffet. Thank you so much for the birthday celebrant. Thank you so much. Okay, so we have unlimited buffet, limited soft drinks and water. Okay? 1 bottle of water and soft drinks only. Pwede naman kayo mag-additional later. Okay? And then also the Kawa Pot or the Big Pot is located at the lunch area. So it will cost you tips or donation again. 1,000 kung wala kayo small bill. Okay? And then fourth destination, we will going at Crystal Cove Island. So we will having our cave touring on that island for 1 hour. Okay, so 300 pesos each yung entrance fee nyo doon. Okay, we are not...
Fit check.
Wala daw mabak ng mga...
Uy, madulas siya actually. It's those. Pag hindi ka ng careful, baka masugatan ka. The video is waving.
The mother
Thank you.
and the daughter.
Thank you. Say hi to Elba.
Oh! Hi! I'm the
name,
last son here at the
name,
island.
age,
My
and
name is John Paul Jerome Esbriones,
age.
born in October 24, 1998, single, ready to mingle, foreigner, Russian, any nationality is welcome. One nationality per night is perfect.
Game. Okay. Catwalk. Contestant.
Meow, 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 meow,